Hi guys, good morning. Today is
Day 6.
and we will go to.
Tiger Nest. Tiger Nest.
So we'll do the trekking from here till Tiger Nest. It will be going to be tough, really. Dol- That's the destination, Tiger Nest Monastery. And there is our champion, Uncle Ji, Arnav Hajra, is coming on full swing with his grandson, Ramkrishna Paramahansa. Champion. जाइए आप आगे जाइए. Just imagine, I never thought even I will reach this much. Tiger Nest is up there. You can see Tiger Nest is there, and the view is like out of the world. So we have to keep on walking for some more time. Hopefully by next 1 hour we will reach half of the portion, not yet achieved, but it will be. My champions are already standing for me. Chalo, see you soon.
Hi. No. Go.
Hi guys, there is the Tiger Nest where we have to reach, and that was the base camp from where we came. The beauty landscape is like out of the world. Wow, we have to reach there. That's the Tiger Nest. That's the target. That's the destination. See you there. Let's go. हाँ, 100 रुपया. क्या हुआ? कोयल. तो फोटो खींचना. मोबाइल निकाल जल्दी. आवाज मत करो. They're right there. Jimmy, what's there? Oh, পাখির ঘর এখানে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ এই ভিডিও we have reached midway mark. We are in a cafeteria, had a black coffee so that we can climb quicker. There is the destination where we have to reach, but I'm not sure whether we are going or not. Even my hands are shivering. Oh, he is having power. Some local fruit, we don't know what exactly it is. Something like lychee. My team is sitting there. This is the champion. He reaches first here. And some of our champions are yet to reach. Yogesh, he is from Karnataka. This is another closest view. I thought we won't get such a view, so I made the video earlier, but now I think this is far more better. And see the surrounding view. My hands are shivering. I have reached the summit. This is approx 3,100 feet, 3,100 meter above sea level, and this is quite high, guys, really. Temperature is not that low, but your temperature is truly shivering. It's a steep walk. I thought within 10 minutes I'll reach there, but now it seems it will take half an hour more, and the way is really need breaking. Just imagine this be the way, and there is the way. There is the way. People are going, and there is the way. That's how people will reach to the monastery. Not going to be that easy, but yes, we'll do it. This is the way we came from. That is the point. Here the waterfall is, and we move towards this direction. Upstairs, another 5 minutes, and we'll be there. There is a small monastery there also, hanging like a nest. Okay guys, see you again after some time. We are entering the monastery now. It is really steep. Lots of people are there. It's not empty actually. Oof. Guys, returning is more painful as going down. The legs are already painful. Oh God. But yes, we reached the summit. We reached the main monastery. Sorry. And at 3,100 feet, 3,100 meters above sea level, there was pin drop silence. If you sit there in that monastery, we did half an hour meditation. Phone or any gadget are not allowed inside. So we did some meditation out there, and it was great. I never had such great meditation in my life, I can assure you. And the silence was really calm. So I would say everybody should try at least once to come and visit Tiger Nest if you come to Bhutan. And the best part is it's very near to Paro International Airport. So if you fly from Guwahati, you can directly come to, or any part of India, you can directly come to Paro. And from there, it takes hardly 20 minutes to reach the base camp in the 2,500 feet. Again, I'm going wrong. 2,500 meters above sea level. The camp is there. You have to get ready. You have to pay some charges. That is around 1,000 rupees to enter the monastery. That charge needs to be paid in the down there, and then you can start walking. The way I show you people while going towards the monastery in my earlier videos. So guys, see you soon. Now let me walk a little bit faster so that I can reach the base sooner than later, and then I can reach to my hotel, because I'm really very hungry. I didn't had anything proper on breakfast. So see you soon guys. Bye bye. मिलते हैं फिर से. देखा होगा. हाँ, really tired. Bye bye. Fresh water is coming from here, so I just wash my face, and it's really rejuvenating sort of fresh water from the mountain. Ooh. The more I think it's coming to end, I don't know, it's continuing. Oh God. It's not smooth. It's so much of rocks, roots. I don't know. I want this to end immediately. Can't continue like this. Just see, it's not coming to an end. Now I can see some establishments, so it means we are coming to the close, coming to the end point. Oh God, it was a hectic day for amateurs like us who hardly did tracking ever. Hmm. Oh, okay. Almost there.